Welcome to Green Golf channel. Welcome to Green Golf channel. You remember from this video when Nnamdi Kanu was saying something there, he speak about the Igbo language, but people will not understand what he's saying there. He was saying to them that people should look forward about this video because I've dropped one of the video like that down. And what is going on now is that about Malami, Buhari and Kenya government, they were in problem with UN because UN is not interested on them now because UN was trying to say that they adopt Nnamdi Kanu in their custody. They were trying to say that they were interested of what is going on in Nigeria, what is going on between how they adopt Nnamdi Kanu because the way they summer Nnamdi Kanu, it was very wrong. It was very wrong. My people, to be honest with you, what is going on with Malami, Buhari, and Kenya, they do something wrong about what is going on because UN was very important. UN was interest of this video, what is going on. That is why, because I saw the day that Nnamdi Kanu was brought to court and the way he spoke on that day, nobody understand what he said there. But he says some word there. You see him there? See him again. He take that thing away from his mouth and he says some word there that people should follow that step. But nobody understand what is going on because he knows that Buhari and Malami and Kenya government, they are all in problem with UN. You can see, you remember the other day when people was running outside, they were saying, holy, 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 Nnamdi Kanu is another savior. You remember that? When people, all the youths, they were making noise that, holy, 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 Nnamdi Kanu is another savior. You remember? If you can remember that, then know what is going on because Nnamdi Kanu is going to be free from that place. Wherever they keep him is going to be free from there. And they're going to sue all the Manami, all the, what is it calling? The Kenya embassy and Buhari, they're going to be in problem. They're going to be in problem because UN is going to summon Buhari, Manami, and Kenya government into the court because they're adopting. The adopt is too long. It's too long, my people. It's too long. You see, Malami was confused. Buhari was confused. All of them, they are all confused now because they don't know exactly what is going on in that country. You can see Malami was talking. He doesn't know what he's saying. Sometimes he's just confused. He is confused, but it's good the way they take the action. If they don't take this action, Nigeria will not separate because it's good the way they were taking all this action. This action is going to let everybody go free in that Nigeria zoo. My people, you see these people, they were very fool. They were big fool. They think they were wise, but they were fool. You can see most of them, they don't know what they are doing. You can see Malami, they give him Minister of Justice, whatever they give to him. He doesn't behave like a Minister of Justice in Nigeria. This man is a moron. He's a zoo. He's a zoo. That's why I'm trying to explain this to you because Nnamdi Kanu will be so free soon. Look this video again. If you look this video, please subscribe, share, like, and put my notification bell on. Here, you can hear Nnamdi Kanu was saying something there. If you want to hear what does he say from there, you can go and look my video that I put recently. I put the same thumbnail. If you look the same thumbnail from my video, you will hear what is he saying there, about what is he saying there. I couldn't understand that because he was saying Igbo there, you speak a Igbo there. I couldn't understand that because I am in Yoruba. But I love Nnamdi Kanu, I love Sunday Igboho, I love Showore because they are fighting for freedom. Freedom, so for all of us to be free from that country called zoo. That is why this thing, it was very interesting. It was very interested, My people was very interested, That is why, you see, these Fulani, all these DSS, they think they were wise. They think they were doing the right thing. They don't know that they were doing the wrong thing. That is why we need to stand our ground to fight with these people to the end. We need to stand we need to stay on our right to fight with these people, because these people, they think they were wise, but they were not wise. They were all moron, because they are all moron. You can see what is going on in that country. People are not happy. People are dying here and then. Children are dying. Fulani are killing. You can hear what is going. You hear about the story that is going on today. About the story that is coming out today. Gumi coming out is saying that he was fighting with Buhari, that Buhari shouldn't take the bandits to be a terrorist. This is exactly what we were talking about. Fulani, Janjaweed, they are all terrorists in that country. They were all the ones destroying the country. But people are not believing that. Some people, they are so sleeping. They are so naughty. You know, they are still thinking about one Nigeria. I don't know why people still having that kind of imagination on their head, because those people that are talking about one Nigeria is those people that were eating in that dirty country. You know, those people, they were seeing dirty money, they were using it to eat. That's why they were still believe on one Nigeria, because I'm telling you, there's no one Nigeria again. You can see Malami, he was very confused. You can see what is he saying about Nnamdi Kanu. They're supposed to bring Nnamdi Kanu the other day to the court. They refuse him to bring him to the court. They refuse his lawyer to see him. You know, they refuse all his doctor to see him. You know, things like that, you'll be falling apart. You know, they have seen the hands that is going to be bigger than their own hand, because they started. They are going to finish it. We are not going back. Biafra is not going back. Oduduwa is not going back. Nobody is going back. We have to finish this to the end. And you can see my people, they were jubilate. All our youths, they were jubilate. Holy, 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 Nnamdi Kanu is another savior. Holy, 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 Nnamdi Kanu is another savior. Holy, 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 holy. Sunday Igboho is another savior. Holy, 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 holy. Sowore is another savior. Holy, 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 holy. Nnamdi Kanu is another savior. Malami is confused, because they are going to call to go and explain how they abandoned Nnamdi Kanu into their custody. They have to say something about it, because there is no way they have to go free of this nonsense they have been doing. They think they are wise. They are not wise, my people. They are not wise, my people. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe, share it, like it, and put my notification bell on, and put subscribe on it, and give me your opinion. Your opinion is needed. All the video that you have been looking, I need your opinion. God will bless you all. Bye bye.